Today we're going to show you guys how easy it is to make real liquid clothing from tree sap. For centuries, locals have been making clothes, plates, spoons, and even basketballs from the sap of this tree. Guys, I just made a little cut, and the sap started flowing. Now we need to make a groove, the same as it was here before. The sap will start flowing from the bark of this tree. The thing is, the sap here is not like that of our trees. It's in the form of yellow-blue. Here it's like rubber. Oh, look. It comes out right under pressure.
Holy moly.
I didn't think it was so effective. This old rubber needs to be torn off. Look, it works. Look how it flows. There, wait. We need to be faster because I'm not finished here yet. We need to do it quickly. Throw out the trash.
It's pulsating like a vein. It's a living tree.
It is a latex plant we call rubber tree in India.
This is called latex tree. And in India, they call it rubber tree.
It is very useful product and very expensive.
By the way, medical gloves and other protection are made from this rubber.
Medical gloves are also made out of this.
This tree produces the most sap after rain. Our sky is gloomy right now. Now will be the best time.
After some chemical process, we can use...
After a special chemical reaction, with the addition of a hardener, this latex can be used for our purposes, including, by the way, write in the comments what we can make from this.
I'm going to show you some... it becomes this. Yeah. And some...
Oh, it stinks.
It smells very bad.
It looks like some kind of mushroom. It's just carbonated. It's raining.
It's only been an hour and look how much has already dripped. So, guys, I suggest you test this miracle product. We'll see what happens.
Actually, latex is protective part of this plant.
In general, this liquid, latex, is a system that protects the tree. Look, there are all sorts of different parasites here. And thanks to this liquid, they do not penetrate inside. Well, it scares away insects, because it stinks strongly.
Look, it's starting to harden slowly, and if you touch it, it doesn't stick anymore. The main thing is to wet your hand well. Look how well it goes on. Wow. But to be honest, I didn't think about how we're going to tear it off later. Good. Let the excess drip off. Guys, we bought a revolver especially to protect ourselves from aggressive monkeys. Yes, of course it's a toy, but it's on pistons. We fill the pistons, and... that's something. The neighbors will complain. There's gunpowder in there. It stinks so much.
The smell is pleasant.
Childhood flashbacks.
Wow. Classic. While we were driving home, this thing had hardened. Let's try to remove it. I thought it would be hard to peel off, but it's already starting to come off. Look at the edge. Look how strange it comes off.
Wow.
Look, so easy.
It reminds me of something. Something familiar.
Even with a nail. It was screwing up my finger.
It's cool.
Real rubber. Stretches well.
And does it smell like rubber?
Yes, new rubber. Like, you know, gloves from the pharmacy.
It's become like a medical glove.
Yes, a real medical glove. And it's all made from tree sap. Can you imagine?
It's hard to believe that it's all made of latex wood. Just ordinary natural wood that stands in a field, and this thing.
You need to inflate it and burst it.
I'm shocked.
My fingerprint.
What?
He says a print, his fingerprint is left here. I had the same thing. We bought color. In short, it's a thing that is added to paint to give it color. And now we'll try to add this color to this tree sap. Open it. Do you like this pink?
Listen, it will be bright and it will look gorgeous in the video.
Enough? Now we take a super duper screwdriver. Look, what a color. A strange pink thing. Just a little. Wow. What vomit. There are a lot of air bubbles there purely.
This is real sugaring.
So, the tree sap has been successfully applied to the leg, and now to speed up the process, you can dry it with a hairdryer. When it hardens, it becomes darker. Do you see how quickly this happens? Yes, it has already hardened. Look, just 5 minutes of hardening, and look what happened. Anton, evaluate the quality.
It's like hyperskin. Now my leg looks like phantoms. Such unusual sensations. It feels like the skin is stretching. It feels like it's stuck to the skin. I don't know how I'm going to tear it off, but it feels like it should come off easily. The rubber is very dense. By the way, I don't believe it's made of wood. How did nature make it so that you can just smear some crap from a tree and you'll just have a rubber sock?
So, guys, an awesome t-shirt made of liquid tree sap. The polymerization reaction has begun. Slowly this thing becomes transparent and very toxic. This is the kind of interesting liquid clothing we got. This is a super cool t-shirt that does not get wet in the pool and allows you to breathe during physical education. And now we will show you how you can, and where it is convenient to use this liquid clothing. Let's go to the gym.
Okay.
He did not put a fuse.
We made clothes out of latex wood. We took the latex from the trees that grow here and made these cool things. How will I take it off?
In the sauna you need to sweat, and it will fall off by itself.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Let's go to the pool on the roof.
This clothes is perfect for swimming.
Listen, this is cool. I can actually feel my feet are completely dry.
Are they waterproof?
Yes, it all fits so tightly.
Do you want to dive? Come on.
Wow, it's like a diving suit. So cool.
It does this weird thing underwater. The color changes.
No, you know, it's starting to get wet. Look, the water is now in my tummy. Look.
You know what?
There it is. What?
You need to check with a stun gun. Is it airtight?
Do you have it here? In theory, I should feel a current.
If everything is okay, you won't feel anything. It means the rubber is good. Nothing?
No, there is something, but not as powerful as usual. Yes, it hurts quite a bit.
Not powerful.
Yes, it would be much worse on bare skin.
Check the glove. The glove is bad.
Even my elbow is vibrating. Anyway, it hurts, but the rubber still smooths it out. Look.
What happened? It was loud.
Ouch. It's good that I didn't hit my head. It's very slippery.
And this suit is perfect for cycling. Do you know why they all smile like that?
They're in shock, bro. They saw some latex dude.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
Do you love me? Flowers, dude.
No, thank you.
They even offer you flowers. Have you seen that?
Apparently, I have that effect on people. They're offering me red flowers.
The easiest way to take off this clothes is to take a good steam bath.
Listen, you look like the guys from Kreosan.
Subscribers found us here.
Really?
Damn, how will you take it off?
Done.
Did you take it off? Guys, it didn't even tear. Like a glove, just look. Now the hardest part. We need to somehow take this off.
My belly is too hairy.
Does it hurt?
Oh, my nipple. Look.
Did it tear?
No.
Try this.
You better scratch that off real quick.
Anyway, guys, we took it off completely. It tore a little.
Порвалася.
Oh, that's so scary. Don't ever do that again, okay? The end. We were lucky. Anton is saved. So, what's your conclusion?
We had a great time, and I hope we made you feel better. This was Kreosan. See you later, very soon.
Densa para densa, la boca de la coca.